Hi and welcome to my channel GoDigiprime. As you know, the main goal of this channel is to bring in the best of the product in the internet marketing domain to our audience so that they don't have to struggle with finding the products that matters among millions of products whose core goal is to take out money from your pocket. If you want to receive constant updates on the best products and free bonuses around them, request you to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever a new video goes live. So today I'm reviewing Doodly for you. In this video, we are going to discuss all the benefits and problems with Doodly. Before that, let's understand what's the importance of videos these days. Gone are the days when people used to post articles or images to grab attention of their audience. This is an era of videos. You just have a few seconds to catch the attention of your audience on any platform. Videos help you showcase content in much more elegant and attractive way as compared to images. In short, videos attracts more eyeballs. Now Doodly helps you develop amazing doodle videos without you getting much into the technicalities of video making. Initially, I also struggled a lot with my videos. Even today, I firmly believe that it's very hard to come up with a perfect video for people like us who haven't done any professional training. But then, as video plays a critical part in a marketing professional's career, I had to find some way to get into this domain. Doodly did the trick for me. It also has few problems which I'll be discussing in this video only, but overall it resolved that issue that I was fighting with to come up with my own videos. And Doodly videos these days allows you to communicate to your audience within seconds and deliver the correct message in a close to perfect manner, the thing which anyone would be striving for. One of its major advantages, you don't need any other software or tool to complete your video. Doodly does it all. Second advantage is you don't need to be online in order to use Doodly. You have to install a Doodly software which automatically gets synced with all the updates whenever your computer goes online. I've given a link in the description for the sales page of Doodly, and I have a special and exclusive bonus for the people who will be going through that link and purchase the software. I'll reveal that special offer here only. If you complete the purchase using our link and share your order details on the link provided in the description, we are going to provide you with 50 backlinks to your video within a span of 5 days, which will surely boost your video's ranking and bring you to the first page of YouTube for selected keywords. This service will be completely free for your first YouTube video. Normally the charges are $49 for 50 backlinks that we provide, which you can use in case you get results for your video. So before I give you an inside tour of Doodly, let's go to the website and check what all features are there. So here are we on the Doodly sales page. So on the top of the page we can see a sample video with a try Doodly button, which will of course take you to the pricing page, but let's understand the benefits of Doodly first from this page. So there are over 1 million videos created using Doodly till date. The next thing here is talking about exactly the same thing that we were discussing few minutes ago, that Doodly makes it very easy to create whiteboard animation videos regardless of technical or design skills. Next are some of the coolest examples or what kind of videos you can make using Doodly. You can use it for sales and marketing purpose like this. Or just for storytelling like this. So with the basic edition, we get these whiteboards, green boards and blackboards to work with your videos. We also get a glass board. Yes, basic edition. They have multiple not so expensive upsells to add more functionality to your powerful Doodly. This is one thing which I personally don't like, but then this is their business model and I have been using Enterprise Edition with not so many add-ons, and I'm satisfied with the same as it does most of the things I want to accomplish using Doodly. Now this is one new upgrade. Don't worry, upgrades luckily for us are always free once we have membership. So what it does is you can import your image in Doodly now, and it will use Smart Draw technology to make that image turn into a Doodly image. Next, these are the different hands that you can use to create your videos. There are some male hands, there are some female hands. So they have a perfect mix of hands which we can use. Doodly allows you to add your own audio, or in case you wish to get a voiceover from someone else and import it in your video, and it works like magic in integrating the Doodly video with your voiceover. Then there are these thousands of images that you can use to create your own video available in their gallery which will be accessible to you once you have purchased the software. Doodly also has some royalty-free music in its library, which we can use to create our videos, and we don't have to pay anything for that. If you don't know, many of the YouTubers are getting copyright strikes because of using music which is not royalty free. You can rely on Doodly for that. So next, as I told you, it's a software. So once you purchase it, you can install it on multiple devices where you want to use it. You can export your Doodly videos in multiple formats, from the very basic resolution to HD resolution. As we discussed, the software updates are free, and you'll get a notification in the software that you're using to update the same. The best part is it comes with 30 days no questions asked money back guarantee, but there are hardly any chances you're going to claim your money back once you start using the software. So Doodly is perfect for YouTube marketers, for teaching and training purposes, for Facebook advertising, for preparing your sales and marketing videos, for creating fun and inspiring videos, and there are hundreds of other usages you can use Doodly for. Next, these are some of the examples of Doodly videos that can be created using this software. Then there is a community of 75,000 Doodliers on a Facebook group to which you become a member once you buy Doodly, where you can get all the help related to tips and tricks to create amazing Doodle videos. This is just for the ease of use thing, followed by just some social proofs. Now we come to the pricing part. So click on Get Doodly here. So guys, there are two packages, Standard and Enterprise. The core difference between these packages will be the kind of assets that you get along with the software. They can be bought on a monthly mode or an annual mode. If you buy it on annual mode, you'll be getting around 49% discount. So here's the price. $39 per month for Standard Edition and $69 per month for Enterprise Edition in monthly mode. Here I want to suggest you to go for an annual mode because that will reduce the software price drastically, and anyways you have that 30 days money back guarantee, which will allow you to get your money back in case you don't like the software. Let's click on the annual here and see the pricing. So you can buy the Standard Edition for $20 per month and the Enterprise Edition for $40 per month. Now what is the difference between Standard and Enterprise? Here you have some 1100 plus images. Here you have around 4000 images. Here you have 1620 prop images. You have 3341 prop images. In Standard you have 150 royalty free music tracks. In Enterprise you have 250 royalty free music tracks. In Standard you have 20 video templates. In Enterprise you have 40 video templates. In Standard you have support for 35 fonts. In Enterprise you have 70 fonts there. Again, the annual Enterprise package is what I suggest to all my audience, as it gives you the discount and you get access to more character images, more prop images, more music tracks, 20 additional video templates and 35 extra fonts. Guys, fonts here plays a vital role as well. When I bought Doodly, I was planning to create Doodly videos in my native language, Hindi, for Indian audience. But then Doodly, even till now, doesn't support Hindi language fonts. This is one of the disadvantages that I felt initially, but then I decided to work on English videos. If you have any such specific requirement for a language font or anything particular that you want to know before buying this software, please mention it in the comment section and somebody from our team will revert back to you at the earliest. So now, before finalizing our decision, let's dive into the software itself. So here we are on our dashboard. On the top bar, it shows Doodly, the type of membership that I'm having, and my profile details. If I click on this arrow, I can see user details and an option to log out. Next, here we can see our recent videos that we have prepared using Doodly, or we have attempted preparing using Doodly. Now after this is the most important section, having our projects and templates. So whenever we prepare a new video, it automatically appears in our project section here. Let's check templates. So here, these are my free templates which I can use for preparing my videos. These free templates can also be organized based on the category they belong to from this left side menu. Then we have some paid templates as well. For that, click on this My Paid Templates and click on this Marketplace. It will take you to Doodly website having hundreds of templates. Again, these can be organized based on the categories they fall into. Let's say we are looking for these explainer templates. Do you want to know that how much a paid template costs? So let's click on this view pack here and see that this particular template will cost you $27. Let's click on this play button to see what it actually contains, and then you can take decision to buy or not based on the content shown here. So this looks like a good template. Now there are hundreds of templates already available to you free of cost with your membership. But even then, if you decide to bring something new in your videos, you can choose one of these paid templates at a very nominal price, and your video will be ready in minutes by just changing some text. And this will cost you much lesser than buying these services from some company or even a freelancer. So let's come back to our software here. Now in our today's review video, I'm going to give you a brief demo of Doodly as well. So I'm going to explain you to create two kind of videos. One right from scratch and a second one using our free templates. First, let's create a video from scratch. Just click on this create new video here. A small window will pop out. We can select the kind of base we want to use here for our video. Like we can choose a whiteboard, we can choose a chalkboard, we can choose a glass board, and we can choose a custom board. In custom board, what we can do is we can choose a color which we want to use as a base of the board. But for now, let's choose this whiteboard here. Give it a name like say Doodly demo video. Select the resolution. Now here we can see multiple resolutions, but what I suggest is to go for a 720p, because 720p allows you to retain the quality of the video, and most of the time it even plays in almost like very less network areas. But you can choose the best of the quality, which is like 1080 pixel, and then there is a specific resolution for Facebook and Instagram as well. 1080 pixel gives you the best quality. So let's select this 720p for this demo. It automatically sets the width and the height. Just be sure that this constraint aspect ratio is checked in case your video is accessed on different size devices, and click on create. Now this is the canvas window in Doodly Software. Let me explain you different areas here. This black ribbon here has all the assets that you can use in your video. So here we can see some scenes. We can scroll down to see what all scenes are available. And there are some amazing number of scenes, so you can choose based on your requirement. Then there are characters. There are so many characters here of an old man, of a professional, of a sage, of different people. So we can choose any of these characters which resembles closely to our audience. Or if we are not satisfied with these characters, we can surely go to the marketplace and buy some more characters. Next, we have some props. Now in props, you can see that I have already uploaded some of the images which I wanted to use, including our GoDigiprime logo. So you can easily upload your own images, and there are some standard images as well which you can use as props. This is text. In text you can see multiple fonts available here. This is basically I tried to install Hindi font, but it didn't work. Next we have sounds. These are all royalty free music. I can upload my own recording here as well, or I can use some of the standard music tracks in my video, which are completely free of any royalty. And last icon is for marketplace. Again, I can go to marketplace and I can buy anything I want. This is the canvas area, so whatever you select will come in this area. On the right, there are settings for each of the thing that we are using in our video. Don't worry, I'll show you within this video that how to use these settings as well. At the bottom is our timeline. By default, we have 3 streams on it. One is for the main canvas display. The second one is for music, the pre-recorded music tracks which we can use in our video. The third one is our own audio in case we wish to use the same. However, we are free to add more layers if we want to by clicking this plus icon here, but most of the times these 3 layers are good to go. So let's create some basic video here with some plain text to understand this better. Click on some scene here and drag it to the canvas. Now we have got 3 assets in this scene: text 1, text 2 and this old man. Let's change this text 1 to Doodly demo and text 2 to video that matters. Done. Now we can move these assets slightly far away from each other so that we can have visibility on each one of these clearly. If you click on this preview here, you'll see how this video has come up. So on the timeline, we can see this 4-second video added here. We can rearrange the order of these assets in our video. Suppose we want this old man to come first, followed by our Doodly demo and videos that matters. Now let's set these delays and duration. I'm doing this to explain the concept, so please don't focus on the outcome that we are getting in this video. As this old man is the first thing that appears on a video, let's set the delay to 0 and duration to 3 seconds, which is already set. Then for this text 1, which is our Doodly demo, let's set the delay to 1 second and this duration to 1 second again. In our text 2, which is like video that matters, let's set the delay to 1 second and set the duration of this to 2 seconds, which is there. So now as we have done these changes, we can see that the length of our video has gone up to close to 8 seconds. How this is happening? So initially this old man will appear. It will take 3 seconds to sketch this old man, and then the video will wait for 1 second. After that, Doodly demo will appear for a duration of 1 second. Then we have this again set as 0. I don't know what happened, but let's set it as 1. So after this, for 1 second again there will be a delay and our video that matters will appear for 2 seconds. Now let's check this in the preview now. That looks good to me. So we can end this video here as well, or we can add as many scenes as we want by clicking on this plus icon here. So once I've clicked on plus, it is again showing a blank canvas to me. However, the first scene is already there. So this is a blank thing. So let's use this for saying thank you. So for thank you, just type in thank you here. As I can see that this is slightly small and the adjustment is not proper. Let's do some magic here and let's change this to this place, and then again do some changes here, like the design to appear, and it will appear for 2 seconds, and then this thank you will appear for 1 second, and this will end our video. So let's check the entire video again. So this probably is not the perfect one, but yes, I've given you an idea of how you can make your own videos using Doodly from scratch. So once you're satisfied, click save. It will show saved successfully. Once it is saved, click on export. On the top of this, you'll see the destination where this video is going to be saved. You can change it if you want to, but we can keep it intact as well for now. So the file format which I suggest is MP4. This works best for almost all the platforms. Then it is showing the resolution settings. These are the settings which we have chosen at the beginning, so we are okay with them. And then click on continue and it will export the video. For now, let's cancel it. Let's go back to my video and I'll show you that how to do it using templates. So click on this template, click on my free templates. Let's say we want to use this one. Give it a name. Click on create, and again we'll land on our canvas. Now because this video is having several scenes in it, all those scenes are there, and it has a music background as well, so that music is also there. So we can control the music volume from here. So once the scene is playing, the music will play at 13% volume. If I'm having my voiceover as well on this video, I'll record the voice and I'll set the volume for that as 100% or 80% or 70%, whichever suits the entire video. So to understand what is there in this template, let's first preview this template. Let's understand what it's trying to say. So here we can see some text appearing. We can see it is also prompting what needs to be written there. So this seems to be a good template. Now let me show you how to make these changes in it. I want to change this thing. So let us change this. Let me write, are you facing problems in creating videos? So there we have changed the content. We can look into the different aspects of it, like changes the size of this text or anything else, and similarly we can make changes to all these scenes and create our own video. Once you're satisfied with the final preview, then click on save and export, and your video will be ready to be uploaded on your favorite social media channel. I find Doodly to be quite amazing. Doodly can be used for storytelling, your short message videos, your status updates, your sales presentations, marketing presentations, product explainer videos, and much more. So let's go back to the sales page, and remember to go to this page through the link given in the description, so that once you buy this, you can understand the power of SEO that we will do for you by creating 50 backlinks completely free of cost within 5 days. So now as you have gone through the brief demo, you can understand what each of the elements in this pricing means. Select the plan as per your requirement, and I suggest you to go with the annual plan as it saves you a lot of money, especially in the basic plan where you almost get the software at half the price. Once you have bought, just click on the link given in the description. It will open up a Google form. Just submit your name, email ID and order number on that, and somebody from our team will get back to you and take more information about your video which needs to be optimized. Feel free to ask us any questions that you may have related to anything explained in this video, or if you want us to cover some other product as well for you, or if you think there is any product available which gives the same value as Doodly, please let us know in the comment section below. I'll keep bringing to you the most value for money digital product reviews for helping you to take your decisions based on facts and not only promotions. Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get immediate notification whenever our next video is available. Thanks for now. Stay safe. Bye.